Hello.
Hello. Yes. Welcome to another session of Backstage with Ben, the monthly product or AMA, the product updates, campaign updates that we do every month. So today, I sound check first. Everyone can hear me? All good? All right. So today I have Romana with me. Yes.
Hi guys.
Want to introduce?
I'm Romana, product manager at Bybit.
Awesome.
Today we will be delivering a bunch of updates for you guys.
We got a lot of juicy updates for you all. We're here in Dubai. Crazy week in Dubai.
Yes. Events week, token week.
I had about I think 4 hours sleep on average for the past 6 days.
Same.
It's pretty insane. We also have Eric, who is on the backstage, gonna be doing product demonstration for us.
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Eric, Bybit Financial Product Manager. I'm glad to see you again for our most recent product updates.
Cool. So we got a lot of updates, but before we update, we always do AMAs at the end of the thing. But we would pick some questions from the audience. If you ask, we'll get to them even along the way. So we actually see two questions from the audience right now, before we start the show. One is asking, Bybit liquidity on major swap pairs has been improving. I think that's thanks to our retail liquidity program we introduced. And if you notice, the major 180 pairs on Bybit, the liquidity is actually now a lot of times #1 in the world. And then the client's asking, I think the client's 552 something, asking how does it affect slippage execution quality for retail user? Actually, it means it's better. It's the top of the world class now. You will have less slippage when you have good liquidity, and the execution, of course, will be at the same time execution is improved. Right. We have another clients commenting. The Kauya asking liquidity mining. He likes it. Can we have more? We'll note it down. We can. I think the team is working on more.
Yes, we are always working on your suggestions, guys.
All right, cool. Let's go to the slides.
All right, just before we move on,
okay,
please guys stay tuned because we will be giving away red packets by the end of this live. You want to grab one of those.
That's the tradition. Red pocket means cash.
Yeah, everybody likes cash.
Everybody cash, yeah. Okay, so got some good business updates, product update, and of course events. Okay, let's get to it. First part of the business, liquidity is back, guys. As you all know that we've had the incidents, but now Bybit liquidity is fully back. Actually, recently there was a report published by Kaiko. You can, guys, if you're interested, you can go to Twitter, search for Kaiko report on Bybit. You can see that we are the leading capital inflow. We're now reclaimed the #2 in the trading volume. And actually, I think maybe the next page we have some liquidity comparisons. Do we have that, or no? It was in the same page. Oh, okay, go back. Yeah, all right. So so the AUM, we're back to 86% of the pre-hack levels, but again, kind of the market was not doing, it was kind of stagnating, right? And that's maybe why when we see market like that, also AUM don't really climb back. But recently, Bitcoin has been raising, yes?
Yeah.
A lot of saying that we're gonna pass 100K again.
Will we see a new all-time high?
Well, I know a lot of people say this is the only time, one of the few times you will see Bitcoin below 100K. So I don't know. So, but we do see ETF flow, inflow is becoming more. And yes, the last part is showing the liquidity is actually sometime exceeding 200% of our top competitors levels. Okay, next. Yes, some good partnerships going on. You want to talk about the two partnerships? Yeah.
So we are having Bybit and Zodia custody partner. So this is to enhance asset security. As you guys know, we take your asset security very seriously, and this is a very important partnership that we are very proud to announce.
Yes. So Zodia is the third custody partner we've connected. We first connect to Copper and then Fireblocks. Zodia is a third, but not the last. More is coming. We are going to launch, I think, even with banks. Recently, there are a lot of institutions demanding connect direct to banks. So we're looking to that. But Zodia is also back working with Standard Chartered. So it's one of the popular ones.
That's right.
Yeah. And for next, so we have a AUS block basically hackathon that we're throwing, right? And this, I think, is working with Sui. Right, on a nationwide hackathon. So do pay attention if you are a developer, you're into that as well. Why don't you pick a few questions from the audience?
Okay, let's take a look. What makes Lens AI different from other trading tools out there? Madin asks.
Oh, wow. This is a good. So, Eric, why don't you show us what the Lens look like? So,
yeah, we have a show part in our product update part.
Later? Okay, so we'll get to this question. So, Lens, guys, is actually one of the second initiative we did to incorporate AI into Bybit product. You know how when we list a new token, everyone gets excited and they want to see what's going on. Is this token got potential? We have this Lens AI. If you go to the tools, later we'll show you to give you kind of a quick rundown, a summary of what you really all you need to know the information for this thing, for this project, and I kind of give you the analysis. But we'll get to it. Okay, next page. Great. So yes, I was actually in Vietnam. I think 3 weeks ago now. I think Southeast Asia is kind of really become the leading front for crypto adoption, right? You know, Indonesia has had crypto framework for a while. Thailand, Singapore,
Malaysia.
Malaysia, right? Vietnam is the latest joining the game. So what we did was we visited Vietnam. We had the opportunity myself to meet with the Minister of Finance, and we offer our support to the sandbox regime to help in whatever ways we can. And that's kind of the Bybit model, is that we are actually regulated in many areas of the world. Our MiCA license will be ready very soon. We're applying from Austria. So all the European clients, please stay put.
We have lots of exciting.
Yes, many exciting licenses coming up. So we also like to support if it's a regulator or government needs this on this front. Okay, so this is a really good initiative from Vietnam, and we see really strong potential in that as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah. One question from as a Vietnamese user, how will this shape new feature protection for Vietnamese traders like me? Well, so the Vietnamese, I think the Vietnam sandbox is going to be released if fast, maybe 2 to 3 months, and you will see a framework. And this way, I think first the biggest change I see is that you have fiat on and off ramp, because currently Vietnamese users use mostly P2P.
Yeah, that's right.
P2P has a lot of scam, a lot of issues with it. But if you have bank access, such as Talco Bank in Vietnam or HD Bank or MB Bank, then you have those direct access to gain and buy and sell crypto, like Europe, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think a user will be protected in that way. And I think mass adoption is coming, especially from Vietnam perspective. Okay, next. Product updates. All right, let's do it. I think I'm going to invite Benny. Yeah, Benny, why don't you go online and tell us what spicy things you've been cooking on the app? Yeah.
Okay, indeed. Hi everyone. Benny here, retail trading lead of Bybit. Really excited to give you all an update on our trading platform. So this month, there's a lot to cover. So let's just start with our desktop platform.
Cool.
Okay, if you look here, on the top right of our order form, right? So if you notice that we've actually revamped the entire header. So right now, for instance, you can see that our tools tab has become an icon. It still functions the same. We also have another context menu here, which I'll go through in detail later. If you look down below, we have also reorganized the advanced trading functions to group them all together. So this is much better for the visual flow. And also one of the major, so coming back to the context menu. So this is a new feature here, right here. So what you'll notice is that for our latest update, we now allow our traders to customize the order form right down to the single component level. So for instance, for myself personally, I would like to hide everything, keeping only value, quantity, liquidation price, TPSL, and post only. So this is my personal setup. So if you can see here, everything is much cleaner than usual. So if you're a futures trader and you really enjoy the spot layout experience and you trade using the one-way mode, right now we allow you to choose the single button layout. So this will give you a very spot trading experience, and this will also help with decluttering the UI as well. Now, for traders that don't really use order by cost, you can now enable a new feature called the base quote toggle right here. So if you enable this, you can now toggle between your value and quantity with a single click. So this is really convenient for traders that like to toggle between quote and base. Yep, and that concludes the desktop. Let's go on to our mobile update.
Yeah, sure. Let's share by app screen.
All right, first off, for our spot and spot margin traders, this one's for you. Right now, we have merged our spot margin and spot into a single layout. To enable spot margin, all you have to do is just toggle the switch, which Eric is toggling right now. With this new merge layout, what you get for our margin traders is you get access to the simplified TPSL as well as the post-only functions. Now, previously, this was only available to the vanilla spot layout. Next, on the chart page. All right, so next is chart trading. Right, so this new feature allows you to directly place orders from the chart page. To activate, first you tap anywhere on the chart, followed by the plus sign on the right. So this will call up the quick order panel, which you'll notice that the limit order price has been filled in wherever you had previously clicked on the chart. Now everything else on this panel works the same way as the main order panel. All right, next, if you scroll down the page, you'll notice that there are two new tabs. You scroll down the page, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yep, that's it. Okay, good, great. Okay, so the first new tab is the trading data. So with this new tab, you get access to information such as flow analysis, net crypto flow, margin loan growth, historical beta spread, and taker volume. That's for spot. For futures, you get a different set of information such as open interest and funding rate, things that are relevant to futures. So relevant to this, next to the data tab, we have another second new tab called the calendar tab. So for traders who are sensitive to fundamental news, this one's for you. Things like non-farm payrolls, so FOMC minutes, even things like Bitcoin network upgrades and forks. Anything that affects the USD of Bitcoin or for the base coin that you are trading at, that's page, for instance, if you are looking at Ethereum, you'll just show Ethereum news. You can find all the upcoming news event on this new calendar tab. Great, thanks, Eric. All right, let's now talk about what's coming up next. All right, coming soon next month, similar to our trading data and our calendar, we're going to be launching our socials and news data feed. So you'll get access to things like x.com, as well as news pertaining to crypto, which you'll find on the same page, on the charts page. Next. Right. So for our funding rate arbitragers, this one's for you. We're going to launch our funding rate alert system. What this does is it's a feature that allows you to set your funding rate thresholds, both minimum and maximum, which includes negative funding rate. So at any point of time, if the funding rate exceeds any one of these thresholds, you'll receive an alert, even if your mobile is turned off, on standby, sorry. This will be available next month. Last but not least, this came in early. Our USDC product has now been renamed. All right, so previously our USDC futures were named, for example, BTC-perp. So we have changed the name to BTC USDC. So this project is launched earlier ahead of schedule. It's now live. And yeah, that's it for me. Over to you, Ben. Thanks.
All right, Benny, thank you. We got a lot of update. So hopefully you guys will try it and give us more feedback and let us know how to even improve better. Okay. For the next, we have actually this is a really cool function. A lot of users, especially at the end of the year, needs a lot of report for tax reasons. Previously, it was a bit messy. It was a bit of all over the place. And also the years we support or up months was a bit short.
Yeah.
So we've done a few things. There's more data field is supported, and also more product is supported for your tax, or even you just want a summary of your overview account summary. most importantly, we added up to 3 years. So you can export your data up to 3 years. And why don't we just go to Eric? Eric, give us a demo.
Yeah, sure. Let's share my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so on the upper right corner, if you click on your avatar, it will lead you to the page. You click on the account, and that you will find the data export. So now, when you click account, you can select multiple accounts, and for the different transaction types, so it also allows you to do multiple at once. So now, if you are like a multiple account user, it is like a great tool for you to save time. And you can
when you click on the export, how long does it normally take?
It depends on how much data you have, but it will not.
Got you. Right, and we give you quite a bit of attempts, let's say per month, right? This shows that 50 attempts. Basically, you can play around with it a bit and download the data. Once data is ready, it will be down there. Says export, and we'll also send you an email, tell you that your report is ready. Okay. Yeah, and we understand that there's different requirement for different country, and obviously each country have different tax requirement. So if this data is not to your requirement, you can also let us know. We will also help to see what we can do to do it. Okay.
I think from a user perspective, this feature is something very important.
Yes, this is really critical.
Myself,
very critical.
I really like it.
Yeah. Also, we have someone online asking. Actually, this guy is AKB something email. Is it possible to have a feature that can set take profit and stop loss limit order when the order is placed? Actually, you can do that. Bybit supports this function since very long time ago. And when you go to the order placement window, you will see a TP and SL thing. You can click on it, and then you can just set it. Okay. So let us know if you couldn't find it. We can do it.
If you also have some doubts, you can always go to our help center. We have a lot of articles.
Yes,
where you can find answers to all of your questions.
Yeah, I'm surprised you asked because this feature is one of the most popular feature clients use. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the slide. Cool. All right. So we are also launching this really cool feature, spread trading. Okay. What it does is it really is it's a tool, right, to help you to arbitrage the funding fees and to lock in the spreads, right? And there's many other details you can see here. But what it does is, especially for big clients who needs to do spread trading, there's typically two legs, and you have to look at both, and it makes it very complicated. With this tool, you can do it automatically. More importantly, we want to encourage you to use this tool. So you only pay 50% of the cost, 50% of the fee. Okay. I'm not sure. Eric, do we have a demo on this?
Yes.
We do. Yeah. Okay. Show a demo so people can see how this hedging works. We also have a feature called atomic execution, meaning that both legs are executed at the same time, so you don't have to worry about this one execute, this one 1 second delay, and you have that uneven balance exposure, right? Yeah.
Right. So the set point is on the training page. You click on the tool tab and then scroll all the way down. You will go to the spread trading. So basically, spread trading is a kind of arbitrage strategy, and you build this strategy by opening opposite positions on the same asset. So one of them is of near term or no expiration, we list on the left side, and the other one is of far term expiration, we list on the upper side. So the cross sections are the combos that you can trade. Let's use the buy spot Bitcoin and sell midnight expiry contract, for instance. So before that, if you do the trader, as Ben said, you need to make sure both sides traded together. Otherwise, the price movement will influence your profit. The second one, you need to pay fees on both legs. And now, this is the order placement window. If you take a look at the price order book, you may find that the price is neither the spot nor the futures, but the price difference of the far-term leg minus the near-term leg. So if you choose the sell, you are selling the far term and buy the near term, and the buy is opposite. And of course, you can put your order like maybe 130.01. So similar like you make trade on the spot or futures trading. And now you can see your order. Once it's executed, both legs will be traded exactly the same time. And in addition, you get 50% fee discount. And if you want to like cancel your pending order, you go to open orders and spread trading. You just click on the cancel. Now we support Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And if you got familiar with funding fee arbitrage, you can use spot and perpetual combo to facilitate this trade. Okay, that's the demo. Let's back to Ben.
So this is a super useful tool, guys, when you do spread trading and you actually want to earn funding fees or you want to get market opportunities, especially when it's volatile and you see an opportunity to arbitrage between spot and perps, earn those fees. Yeah. So a lot of the quant actually do that, but they do it through API. They build this whole thing themselves, and they have those multiple screens, but we built this tool for you, and now you can really play around with it yourself. Okay. All right. Next, we want to talk about is everything about gold.
Yeah, gold.
Why gold?
Gold has been on the rise.
Yes, gold has been on the rise. Yeah. For whatever reason, it's been pumping like crazy. Yeah. So if you all know, we do have gold. Bybit is the first crypto platform that offers gold trading, CFD trading, Forex, and all that through MT5. If you go to our homepage, you can see it. We've been talking about it. But recently, we actually listed XAUT USDT. This is a gold product issued by Tether, right? And it's actually directly packed to gold as well. And so this you can trade on your on our main platform. Okay. And also because of that, it's a crypto pair we can incorporate into many other products that we support, such as smart leverage, dual asset. Okay, smart leverage you can trade up to, I believe, 50 leverage, right? No liquidation before expiration. If you guys don't know the smart leverage, go to the Bybit Earn. It's really cool. It's actually, and the underlying is the option product. At the same time, dual asset is the same. You can buy XAUT USDT, get the yield, and if the price doesn't trigger, if it triggers, it triggers the gold. So in traditional side private banking, you have a lot of these dual asset kind of dual stock product for clients. But here we offer on the gold as well. Okay.
Super exciting.
Yeah, super exciting, and also our volume on the CFD side of things has been growing, and it's about 25 billion. I think we hit 25 billion recently. Thanks for the support. Next plan for the for that as well, we're going to incorporate that into the Bybit main platform as well. Okay. Next. All right. So margin staking. You want to talk about this?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
So Bybit margin staked Sol. So we have a new launch. This is the industry's first on-chain margin staking product. And what this means is that we support up to 3x leverage. We have the highest APR in the market, and staking and redemption can be done at any time. So I think this is very, very useful for you guys. So me personally, I really like earn products where I can unstake assets at any point in time. So I'm not obliged to stick to a time.
Yeah. So this what makes it special is because we have BB-SOL, which is the LSD that we launched to support SOL, and we had a restaking protocol on BB-SOL, meaning that you put SOL in, you get BB-SOL, and then you put BB-SOL in, you get SOL, and you can do it 3 times essentially. But we do automatic for you. So to you, it means that you have 3 times leverage. You have, I don't know, 1 SOL, you can stake it up to 3 basically. Yeah. The end result. So you tripled APY basically. Okay, so check it out, guys. Total TVL is pretty high now. Actually, a lot of clients don't know about it, so I think it will get there. Yeah.
I think we have a
we have a few available. Oh, we have a demo?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a demo then. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Let's see my screen. So The mechanism, I believe you are all familiar with, and just show you the access point and the finance, and you will see the margin stake Solana. And it's very simple. You put 1 Solana, and you choose the leverage you want to have. We will match up to 1 to 3 Solana for you. So that's it. Very simple. Yeah.
0.38. Not bad.
Very
Not bad if you have Solana,
It's
guys, in
very
this
good.
market. Yeah. So that's pretty solid. All right, let's come back. Cool. We got some mini apps. We'll talk about it, and let's do a maybe demo.
Yeah, sure. So we actually have launched or are going to launch a Telegram mini app for Bybit Earn. So in this way, you can grow your wealth all on Telegram. So this means that you can actually, without leaving Telegram, try some of our products. These products include savings, smart leverage, and double win. So our intent by doing this is to make you experience our Bybit products without having to actually leave your preferred communications app. So you can do it all in one single place.
Okay, Eric, give us a demo.
Yeah,
show your Telegram. Hide your crazy chat first. Make sure nobody sees your. Nobody wants to see your crazy chat.
Yeah, so this is the Telegram app, and if you search for the Bybit mini app, you will find this one. Or we have the logo here, and when you click on it, and the lower right corner, there's a Start Earning button. So you click on it, you will get the access for the Bybit Earn, and you see the very familiar UI as on your app. Yeah, so it's quite convenient for you. So you can now explore the Bybit savings, smart leverage, and double win. So the UI is the same as that. So it's just
good. And we just added the gold inside smart leverage, right? And the double. Yeah. So
right,
very good.
Search for XAUT. That is gold.
That's gold. XAUT, guys. In case you don't know. I don't even know why they use XAUT, but yeah, strange. Okay, next, let's go to the slides. So we also, well, I guess we talked about this, right? So in the app, you also have copy trading supported in the Telegram mini app. Guys, if you don't know, we launched the gold and Forex copy trading on our main copy trading platform. You don't have to go through the pain of understanding what MT5 is, and you can simply go and copy and take advantage of the gold rallying or whatever rallying. So I think that's been doing quite well, and I'm not sure if Eric, you got a demo there, yeah?
Yeah, very quick demo.
Do a quick one. Let people see what it's all about.
This is my app. Yeah, so in copy trading, now if you find a good master trader and you want to copy and not copy by yourself, but also share with your friend. So you click on the Telegram. And as we mentioned, we have already built in the Telegram mini app. So now you can share it on the Telegram mini app.
Ah, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's and this guy is a gold trader. Crypto.
Exactly.
Okay, good. All right, so this is live. Check it out. Okay, let's come back. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so Crypto Lens, guys. You asked what is this Crypto Lens? Any update? How often does the Crypto Lens update is inside? It's updating in real time, guys. Crypto Lens AI grabs all the current market data from all the kind of the latest site that gives the real update. One of the main engine is Social Value. It's a partner we work with. Okay. So currently, it's now more than 150,000 users on a daily basis. This is actually becoming one of the most popular tool for clients to kind of just understand what is going on with this project and kind of understand the overview. I think I shouldn't talk too much, and let's just let Eric give a demo. So the biggest question people ask is, Bybit, you're listing this new thing. What is it? Should I invest into it? And now we use AI to tell you. Okay, so Eric, give that demo, yeah?
Yeah, sure. Let's see my web screen. I think it's better to use the web to see much, information.
All right, use the web, yeah.
Right. So, yeah. So the first point is the tools. The second one is the Trade GPT. And on the left side, you see we have a new tab called Lens. And here, basically, here's the all-in-one space that you need to know anything about the project. Let's take Solana, for example. And here, we have the price band cap and basic information on the left side. And on the right side, we have an AI assessment. So if you want to see the breakout, you can click on it. And for each subcategory, we have the detailed explanation which the subsector are. And also we provide the other 4 kind of information. For the community, we summarize the most recent news and the social media information and the research for you. And we also put bull bear tag on it, so you can have a clear view on what this information is about. And we also provide fundraising information, the team, the investors, not only their name, but also their LinkedIn profile, their Twitter link, and their official website. Also, you can track the fundraising event. And if they have foundation, you can see their external investment. So very informative. And for the trend, we provide both Bybit in-house trend and market data. For in-house trend, you can see the whale traders in Bybit, their long-short ratio on each of the assets. And of course, the basic 24 hours in and out flow, trading volume, and behavior trends. Also, we have market data, that is the Google search trend. And we even include the GitHub code submission status, so you can see whether they are actively developing their products. And also the Twitter search trends. The last one is the one I like most, the tokenomics. That is a chart view of how the tokens are allocated among different parties. And if they have the lockup period arrangement, we even provided the unlock schedule timeline for each of the party. So it's very informative, especially if you want to do a front run trade before they're unlocked. Okay, that's the demo for our trade.
Yeah, stay on this page. We got a few questions from our users. Is there a usage limit for Lens AI? Do we limit how many times they can search, or there's no limit?
No.
Okay, Lens AI, guys, no limit. You can do whatever you want. Use it as a tool. Even when you're not trading, use it as a tool. Open it up, leave it there to do your research. Yeah. Another question is, how is it different from other trading tools out there? Well, I think with the Lens AI, we try to make it really a one place. All you need is that to find out any information. And it's been updated constantly. It tells you the Twitter search, the social engagement. It tells you latest unlocking schedule of the project. So whenever you need the fundamental information on the project, I think we want to build Lens to be the tool to do so. Okay. Another question clients asking is Lens available through TradeGPT, or can we have a shortcut to Lens? Yeah, so we do understand now currently the Lens is under TradeGPT, and if you actually search the same token in TradeGPT, the TradeGPT has always been focused on trading. It kind of gives you the analysis on technical analysis, even some indicator analysis. Lens focus on the fundamental, what the project is all about, tokenomics, who are the founders, social engagement, these type of things. We are planning to merge the two, and this is coming up very soon because we do realize a lot of clients love the feature of Lens, but some clients also like TradeGPT, where they can basically, essentially, you go to Lens first. Once you understand what the project is about, you're into it, you can go to TradeGPT, ask the same project, and it will tell you kind of the market analysis of it, the technical analysis aspect of it. Stop loss, take profit, what is good, what is not, all that. Okay, so that's kind of the design, but we are merging it to make it less confusing. Okay, all right, next. All right, so for the VIP users, now you're getting some extra benefit. There is a daily industry report catered towards your position holdings. Okay, so currently we have more than 2,200 VIP users getting this daily report. Yeah, why don't we do a demo here, Eric?
Yeah, sure. Let's take a look at my web screen. Yeah, simply shows you the entry point. So you, on the upper right corner, you click your avatar. And here you will find a new toggle called new spot, new report. And this is a report for you, depending on your asset holdings. And then you click on each of them. There will be like a market news, technical analysis, and the community sentiment, things like that. So since it's based on your holdings, that will be customized for different users. So just make sure you remember this access point is avatar and on the upper right corner. That's it.
And in the app, is the same. It's the same place. Yeah. What this report is interesting is it's designed based on your holding. If you hold one token, it will give you that report. If you don't hold that token, it won't give you that report.
So it's personalized.
It's personalized.
Yep.
Yeah. And this is also powered by Social Value, our partner, plus Bybit. So thanks very much to our partner, Social Value. But again, this is super insightful. I think it's one of the best reports I've seen in a while. So do check it out. Again, question, where do you get the report? Please go to your asset page, your VIP area. You have a VIP logo thing. Click on that and you will see a report. Okay, next. Yeah. So want to talk about that? Yeah.
All right, so Fiat Gateway and P2P upgrades. We have a few very important updates here on this part. So we have now VND deposits with 0 fees. So earlier we're just talking about serving our Vietnam users better. So now we are offering these P2P deposits with 0 fees. And very, very soon, this month, we will be launching KZT deposits, fiat deposits on Bybit.kz. This is something that we've been working on for a very long time and are very proud to finally announce. We also have this new P2P following filter. So before, we noticed that for you guys, it was kind of hard to find trusted merchants. So merchants that you have used before and trust to do another transaction with them again. So while listening to your feedback, we have actually added this P2P following filter. So this means that you can now follow your favorite merchants and you can easily find them again. So before you could not see easily find this P2P merchant, and now it's
you can just follow.
Yeah, you
very
can just
good.
follow.
All right, next. So Bybit Card, big news. We are the sponsor of Brazil's Tomorrowland. And actually, with the Bybit card, you can actually get a discount for the Bybit for the Tomorrowland Brazil event. I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, me too.
Your party?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
For sure.
Yeah, EDM festival, one of the largest. It's the first time they go to Brazil, so our Brazilian clients in for a treat. But I'm sure a lot of global people will go there.
For sure.
You know, you will see Bybit logo all over the place, and welcome to party at the Bybit spot over there. When is it gonna happen?
I think it should be soon. So I
think November. Okay,
yeah,
November.
yeah. And guys, you can get a discount when you buy the tickets using Bybit card. You can get up to 20%.
Up to 20%. Very good.
So this is very, very good.
Tickets are selling out, guys. Okay. We also have some new cashback features. We enabled USDC cashback. So check it out. Okay, next. Okay, we got some good campaign update. I'm gonna leave Romana to it. Okay, thank you.
All right, you guys. So now on to the fun stuff. So Bybit is a title sponsor for CCCC Bali. As you guys know, CCCC stands for Crypto Content Creator Campus. We had our first event ever last year in Dubai. This time we held it in Bali, where 140 plus KOLs attended, connected, competed, and collaborated in this one-of-a-kind experience. We had 12 speakers and mentors, leading discussions and panels, 20 industry partners, and the top 10 media partners attended. So this was a very successful event that we wrapped up. And please stay tuned because we will be announcing our next location for the next CCCC event Okay, guys, now on to the next. 1 versus 1 trading arena. So this is the first ever Bybit 1 versus 1 trading competition. We have 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour gaming modes. And the best part of it is that you get instant rewards. So nobody likes to wait. I don't like to wait. So when you win a match, you can claim your prize immediately. No waiting, guys. And your P&L percentage determines the winner. So we want fair trades, fair fights. You trade smart, not just big. And the most exciting part is that we have a $1 million prize pool so that you can chip in. The competition period will be from April 29th to May 22nd. So it's already live. You guys can go and compete. Next. Okay, Bybit copy trading news. Okay, some more copy trading. Crypto Surf Ride the Waves with Trailing Stops is now live. This is the bot and copy trading competition created with trailing stops. Okay, you can share 250,000 USDT prize pool. This event period is from April 18th to May 19th. Okay. Not only that, we also have a copy trading gold and FX loss coverage voucher. So like Ben was saying, we have a lot of gold activities and products going on. So this is a new user exclusive. Your first trade will be protected up to $100. Okay, this is effective from April 30th. It's now live. You guys can take full advantage of it. And this gives you full guarantee for the first batch of documentary losses up to 100 USDT. Next one. Okay, Trade Masters Grand Prix 2025 Series 2. So you can now join Series 2 and compete for 1 million USDT prize and exclusive Tomorrowland tickets. So guys, Tomorrowland again. We want you guys to have fun. So we will be giving away the top 5 winners for each prize pool, 1 Tomorrowland Brazil tickets. Okay, there will be up to 10 tickets up for grabs. Compete across 2 leaderboards for spot and derivatives trading volume. Okay, the registration has already started and will be ongoing till May 11th, 10 a.m. UTC. The competition itself is live from April 21st, 10 a.m. UTC, up to May 13, 10 a.m. UTC. So make sure to participate. Let's move next. Okay, finally, the so awaited special giveaway. Okay, we will be now dropping red packets for you guys live. There will be limited slots only, so be quick and catch those.
I think my team is dropping them. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So grab them as they see on the screen. Let's roll the screen there so I can see some questions from the clients. Let's do some AMAs. Okay. So Crypto Mike is asking, oh, I really want to try gold and indices trading, but not sure where to start. MT5 hard to navigate. Can we have it on the app? You got it. So we're working on implementing what we call it MT5 list. We are connecting through MT5 with our API, and the team is working very hard on that. By the end of this quarter, Q2, you will have all the MT5 pairs, gold, forex indices within the Bybit app. So you don't have to download things. You don't have to learn how to use it. We all know it's complicated. Even the name is awkward. You will see them in Bybit app directly, and you'll be able to trade it directly. And don't worry about, you don't need to worry about learning a new terminal and how to trade. Okay. Some clients asking, what are the most popular pairs for indices? Well, we've seen NASDAQ was popular, SP 500 was popular, because, the tariff war up and down going crazy. We've seen gold has been quite popular. That's the answer. We have a few clients asking, can you trade gold and forex directly on the Bybit app? And the answer is yes. We're working on that. We're gonna implement it by end of the Q2. But for now, if you want to trade gold, you can trade X, the token we just released on on Bybit app XAUT USDT. Okay, that's the pair that Tether launched. We support. Okay?
I think we will bring them a lot of new updates on our
Yes.
Backstage with Ben in
Yes.
June. So
Yeah.
guys, stay tuned for next month's updates, and we will be
Wow,
answering.
a lot of people asking about gold and forex. This is
Yeah.
crazy. Okay, very good. So I guess when crypto is not moving, you are focused on other moving things. Yeah, very good. I'm glad that we can provide that. Okay. Okay, let's keep going down. Okay, one of the questions is, why do leverage token like BTC3X is not showing in my positions? I'm not sure it should show, but on your position on the right side, there's a toggle where you can set what to display. You might disable it before, because by default, if you have a position, we always show it, unless clients want unclick it and don't want to see it. So just check on that. Click on the setting. I will show you what to see in the position area, and make sure that leverage token is clicked. Okay. All right. Next, let's see. When cashback work is okay. This one we need to note it down. I think it's Martin. No, Marin. He says when cashback worked, it at least covered the foreign transaction fee 2%. I make purchase every day for several $100s, but cashback have stopped. Okay, so I guess the question is, you no longer get the cashback. Do we have a limit on the cashback? I think. Do you know?
I don't know if we should have a limit on cashback.
Okay, I think for this client, Martin, we need to get back to you on the card cashback.
Question.
There's some rules on the cashback. It's not unlimited. I'm pretty sure there's a daily and an overall limit on the overall cashback. Okay, keep going down. Yeah. So I can see on the screen. Okay. One of the clients asking, because crypto is volatile, do we plan to introduce an innovative risk management tool like dynamic leverage adjustment or AI-driven stop loss recommendations? Recommendations we can do, but obviously the AI cannot, change clients' settings themselves. There might be a day where you can introduce your AI agent to do that, and if you give your AI agent full authority to do so. But we are working on that through our TradeGPT to give you recommendations on stop loss and dynamic leverage adjustment. Okay. But I think let's pick one more, and we are pretty much towards the end of our thing. When is the Visa card working with South Africa? Well, first of all, our card is a MasterCard, and I'm pretty sure it works in South Africa. Do we have plan to work with Visa? I think the team is actually talking to Visa. We want to provide you Visa, not only Visa. We want to provide you all the good ones in the world that everyone uses, even Union Pay and all these crazy ones. In Japan, I think they use some other ones. What's the Japan one use? I forgot.
Me too.
Yeah, but anyways, okay. Latest update. All the red pocket is gone. Thank you for participation, guys. So again, we do this every month, end of the month. Backstage with Ben here in Dubai, where we give you the product updates, answer some questions, and you get some crazy red pockets. Okay?
Yeah, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
joining today, you guys. See
Thank
you
you,
next
guys.
time.
Okay,
Bye.